A little unnamed trail off of Pipeline. Never ridden it. We're gonna see how it goes. Woo! Looking a little steep. Okay. Let's see, we got a rock or something here. What the fuck is going on? Huh. Okay. Looks okay. Alright, not quite the most opportune time to stop, but this is our first time down this trail, so we're just taking it easy. I'm not liking that sound. What the fuck is that? And the other question is this going to be fucking too gnarly? I mean, it's okay if we had confidence from the break, but we kind of don't. So maybe it's not the best time to fucking plow through this shit. Just for some perspective.